What is good, everybody?
Hello, this is Julia and
Your boy Tonino.
And we have something special for you.
Since we are on a coronavirus spring right now, we have decided to stay home and instead do a little something for you. This is a quick move for those of you who are staying home and still would like to get your Kizomba on without going out and taking classes or in public places or whatever. We have something for you. We got you, man. We got you. All right,
let's do it.
Fantastic. So this is something real special. Small thing. I'm going to demonstrate the gentleman steps and
I'm going to do the follow step.
Fantastic. So without further ado, here we go. Gentlemen, starting with a virgula. So we have 1 and 2 and 3 together. Side step. 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 together. Quarter turn. 1 side step. 2 together.
Fantastic. Now let's switch. For the follows, we're gonna start the virgula going backwards and turning to a left. So we're gonna go 1 around together, side step, pivot, back, saída, forward, together, quarter turn going back to the side, together.
Half tempo. So we have 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, together. 1, 2, 3,
back,
1,
forward,
2, 3,
together.
and
Quarter, side, together.
basic 2, and
5, 6, 5, 6. Here we go. 1, 2, together. Side, pivot. Forward, together. Back, side, together.
full tempo. So we have 5, 6, 5, 6, 7. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Basic 2. Hey.
5, 6, 5, 6. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3.
Hey. Now with the music. Not that we were not doing it before without music, you know what I'm saying? But loud and clear with the music. Fantastic.
Thank you for watching.
And we'll see you in the next episode.